Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you need an energy boost, an anti-fatigue smoothie recipe is here. Are you tired after work? Need a little energy boost? Of course, this is important. In this video, let's talk about how to restore energy and vigor after winter, and how to get rid of fatigue. This is where anti-fatigue food can help you. Here is a healthy smoothie recipe for anti-fatigue. If you need some energy boost, you can try some Smart Smoothie. I suggest a simple recipe healthy smoothie to keep you going throughout the day. The goal is to drink this smoothie in small portions throughout the day and make sure you pair them with a wide range of other nutrient-dense foods like fruits and vegetables. After a few servings of this smoothie, I suggest tasting the grilled kebab. But that's a completely different story. The best choice of these fruits and vegetables for the first snack is to make a smoothie with spinach and cilantro and parsley. While it may not seem like the best choice for a snack, these vegetables contain a B vitamin needed for energy production called riboflavin, or vitamin B2, as well as iron. Parsley and cilantro also contain vitamin C. All of these nutrients make a good energy combination. Other foods recommended for when you are tired include: ginger is an adaptogenic plant. It adapts to our immune system. In a weakened state, it excites her. In an excited state, it calms her down. Kimchi or Korean cabbage contains sulfur, which helps to synthesize serotonin. Serotonin is the hormone of well-being. You will always smile. Kimchi is also a fermented food that contains probiotics. I will also use tomato juice for smoothies. Tomato juice contains potassium, an important mineral for heart function. Now let's do a test. I think it's very tasty. Oh yes, this anti-fatigue smoothie is great and healthy. Be healthy. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you soon.